As far as increasing your vocabulary in English is concerned, you need to understand types of vocabulary words that are known to us. You must know what to do when it comes to expanding English vocabulary. Types of vocabulary in English. There are several types of English vocabulary, such as everyday vocabulary, technical vocabulary, and academic vocabulary. However, as we are dealing with the question, how to increase vocabulary in English, we are very much concerned with the two types of vocabulary words that are known to us: active and passive vocabulary. Number 1, active vocabulary. The list of the words that the English language users use and understand in their daily life conversations in order to express themselves comes under the category of active vocabulary. People use active vocabulary to talk about their ideas, discourses, practices, opinions, beliefs, relationships, status and position, etc. Examples of active vocabulary include love, hate, speak, say, tell, school, church, university, like, dislike, write, jump, learn, forget, understand, stand, teach, create, make, think, believe, confess, and others. Number 2, passive vocabulary. The list of words that can be recognized by the users of the English language but not often employed by them refers to the category of passive vocabulary. Passive vocabularies are the ones that you can recognize when they're used in front of you, but you don't use them in your everyday conversations to express yourself. Both passive and active vocabulary constantly changes as you learn new words and forget them. Therefore, an advanced learner of English has more passive words in comparison to their active words. Once you've understood what active and passive words are, it's high time that you find the answer to the question, how to increase vocabulary in English?